Learn and grow with AsheDesign.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to put your subject into a template. So here's my subject. Under this tab, you'll notice I have another tab opened, and that is my template. And you'll see here where it says cut out photo. So we need to get it in this area. So there's two ways. I can either go over here, and I already have him cut out. So let me turn off that layer so you can see I have him cut out. I can go up here to edit, and I can copy, and then click on my other tab and go to here where it says cut out photo. Then go back up here to edit and click on paste. And that will put him in on his own layer. Or I can be in my cutout, and I can see how if I hold down the left button and move him around, I can drag him. I can just drag him up to this tab and then back down and let go, and he's right there. Puts him in the same spot. Now, if he's not in the right place, I can always drag the layer down. Two ways to get a subject into your template.